Meaning of Hellenistic.
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 Hellenistic. The term Hellenistic refers to the period of ancient Greek history and culture that followed the conquests of Alexander the Great in the 4th century BCE. It is characterized by a blending of Greek culture with those of other regions that came under the rule of Alexander's empire, including Egypt, Persia, and parts of Asia. This period saw the spread of Greek language, religion, art, philosophy, and science throughout the Mediterranean world. The Hellenistic era was marked by significant political, cultural, and intellectual developments that continue to influence modern society to this day.